Okay guys, we are here at cinema section. So they have a new here. I think they have a Minecraft photo booth. This next from the food court. Hello, I'm trying to vlog. Subscribe me. Yeah.
What's your channel?
My YouTube name,
Yeah. What is it?
Eddie,
Kenny.
E for egg. This beautiful girl. E for egg. E for egg.
Yeah.
D for dog. I for India. T for tango. H for Harry. And then Phil. That's the next word.
This is nice.
Yes, please. So P for Paul.
Yeah.
P for Paul.
Yes.
H for Harry.
Yeah.
I for India.
Yeah.
L for love. S for Sam.
Yes.
S for Sam. P for Paul. Okay. S for Sam. P for Paul. A for apple. Spanish. That's why Spanish. A for apple. N for none.
Yeah.
N for none. I for India. S for Sam. H for happy. So did it come? Edit in Spanish. I have beautiful girls here.
Hold on.
Yeah, Edit feels Spanish.
Have fun here.
Subscribe
You're
me,
so
okay?
cute. Wait, can you see if I spelled it right?
Edit feels. Oh no, not B.
Oh.
It's a P for Paul.
This one?
Yeah, that PPC. That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh my god! What? We can't subscribe.
Subscribe me, okay?
Subscribe.
Yeah, and then your friends, okay? Let
Yeah.
your friends subscribe.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
amazing.
And then and then comment.
Will we be in your video?
Yeah, I'm going to upload video, and you will see this. Do you want to be uploaded? It's okay to you?
Yes.
Okay,
That's
alright. So probably this will be uploaded
Are you seeing a movie today?
tonight or tomorrow. Are you watching movie
We're
today?
watching Minecraft. What are you watching? Are you watching a movie?
No, not today. What are you watching?
Minecraft.
Oh, you like that? How old are you?
14.
Okay. So it's really okay that
Yeah.
oh, you see yourself. So probably tonight, I can put tonight, okay?
Okay.
So what's your name?
My name's
Chanel,
Malia.
Malaya,
Malia.
Malaya,
Yeah.
Malaya. Edith, okay, Edith. So comment. Hi, big sister. We're the one that you saw in cinema.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and to your friend. Really nice to meet you. I'm going to the car now.
Really nice to
Enjoy
meet
your
you.
movie, okay?
Have a nice
Right.
day.
Oh, you too. To your friends too. Okay, bye-bye. So, I found somebody here to subscribe me, guys. So, this is a cinema here. So, that's the entrance. And they have the food over there. They have a small arcade here. And I'm going out here. So there's a exit entrance. And that's the so you can see the movie showing there. They have a machine. So this girl, they're beautiful. So we're going out now. So that's their entrance. That's the bus stop. This is the bus stop here. And I park over there. And okay guys, I'll see you again later.